Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning numbers in English. Numbers from 0 all the way to 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Let's go. Let's begin the class. Remember to like this video and subscribe if you're new to my channel. So today's first number is the number 0. 0. The question is, what is this number? 0. 0. The number is 0. The number is 0. What number is this? The number is 1. 1. What number is this? The number is 2. 2. What number is this? The number is 3. 3. What number is this? The number is 4. 4. What number is this? The number is 5. 5. High five. What number is this? The number is 6. 6. What number is this? The number is 7. What number is this? The number is 8. 8. What number is this? The number is 9. 9. What number is this? The number is 10. 10. Hi, 10. What number is this? The number is 11. 11. What number is this? The number is 12. 12. What number is this? The number is 13. 13. What number is this? The number is 14. 14. What number is this? The number is 15. 15. What number is this? The number is 16. 16. What number is this? The number is 17. 17. What number is this? The number is 18. 18. What number is this? The number is 19. 19. What number is this? The number is 20. 20. Okay, so now you know all the numbers. Now you can put them all together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You can also say 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, but that's for future classes, don't worry. So, now I'd like you to try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so just a bonus for you, a bonus lesson for you. bonus lesson I have for you today is we are going to learn a little bit of maths. A little bit of maths. Let me show you. So now you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm going to teach you a little bit of maths in English. Maths in English. So, how many pigs can you see? I can see 3 pigs. 3 pigs. 1 pig, 2 pigs, 3 pigs. 3 pigs plus 2 pigs equals 5 pigs. 5 pigs. 3 pigs plus 2 pigs equals 5 pigs. 5 pigs. Let's go to the next one. The next one is 2 sheep plus 2 sheep equals 4 sheep. 4 sheep. 4 sheep. Bonus tip for you today in English. We don't say sheeps, no S. We just say sheep. Sheep. So now we have completed plus. Now we are going to minus. So plus, minus, plus, minus. So how many dogs can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dogs. 8 dogs minus 2 dogs equals 6 dogs. 6 dogs. So this is minus equals. So 8 dogs minus 2 dogs equals 6 dogs. 6 dogs. In the last class, we learned about colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green dots minus 2 green dots equals 1, 2, 3 green dots. 3 green dots. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Finally, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you learned numbers from 0 all the way to 20 and a little bit of English maths today. Plus and minus. Thank you very much for watching my video today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will keep creating new videos for you in the future that teach you basic English. Have a good day. Thank you very much.